Hi guys, it's Sam here with Bargain Hunting Blonde, and today I'm bringing to you an unboxing in this box. So, little backstory. This was like a true unboxing, as in I had not opened this, and then I opened it to filmed the video, and realized all the videos I filmed that day had absolutely no sound. And it was great. So, it initially was a true unboxing. I've since repackaged it back in its box to show you guys again. I luckily hadn't taken everything off the bag, but it was supposed to be an unboxing, like a true unboxing, and now it's a little more of a reveal since this is take 2. But regardless, it's still exciting. Everyone likes to see these. So it is in this box. It did not come in the box from the fashion house because I did order this from Joma Shop. I have been posting a lot of deals, only luxury deals, on my Instagram stories, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll have that link down below. But Joma Shop is one of the places I love to shop from. All these items are new. They are like, you know how TJ Maxx will get designer goods, very similar with Joma Shop. They have really great prices. Crazy, but if you live in the state of California, you do not pay tax. This never happens. So that is amazing, and I love that because that really does actually bring down the cost of the good. And then they do have free shipping. You can also pay for more expedited shipping, but things normally get to me within a week and a half, so not a big deal. This actually got to me really quickly, within like 4 days. I bought it and it shipped the same day, so that was great. But without further ado, let's get into it. In this box, this box was also in another box, so that's why it like looks really unbanged up, which I really appreciate because sometimes, you know, people will just send them in the box and then this box is banged up and you're like worried about the bag inside. So the bag is packaged in here, and you'll see it is Saint Laurent. Oops. Saint Laurent, as you can see by the dust bag. Very snug in here, which I also appreciate. They have tissue paper around it. I just hate when you get a box and you like pick it up and you're like, that's rattling around in there. Like, that's probably going to get a little damage, especially if it's something so expensive. So, first off, the black and white dust bag. And then, without further ado, here's what I purchased, and it is the Saint Laurent Lulu camera bag with this beautiful chevron quilting with a shiny gold hardware. It is a little more antique just because that is the gold that Saint Laurent does, but it is definitely more shiny than like a Gucci. You know how Gucci really antiques their gold? This is definitely more shiny than that. So let's kind of undo some of these straps around the bag. As you guys know, I did sell my Saint Laurent college bag, and I would like to point out, I think this is I didn't notice at the time, but I think this is kind of a bigger deal now, that there is a difference in the leather between the Lulu line and the college bag line and like the envelope walks. The college bag line and the envelope walks have more of a pebbled leather that I notice really has a tendency to kind of like wear on any sort of corner, while the Lulu bags I have don't show any wear because this is just much more of a softer leather. It is a calfskin. It just seems to hold up better to me personally. So let's go over the details of this bag. Like I said, it does have the beautiful gold hardware. I love that it has a leather pull tab because while I do love shiny hardware, you really start to tarnish the hardware quickly with the oils on your hands. So I actually really like leather pull tabs on bags. Also much easier to replace if you do break it than the actual like zipper, the metal zipper part. So the straps are still in the plastic, but as you guys can see, because you can see the little buckle here, this does have an adjustable strap. The strap is not removable. You guys can see right there, but that is okay as this is a camera bag style, and it would kind of be probably weird as a clutch to be held like this. I didn't say this, but I should have. Joma Shop has deals on everything. So this is a very, very classic colorway. It is still on Saint Laurent's website and Saks and Neiman's and everything like that, but I did not pay retail for this bag. Retail for this bag is about $1,290, and I believe I got about $600 off that price, and I didn't pay tax. So in the state of California where I live, tax is almost 10%, so that'd be what, like $129 on top of the $1,290 price tag, or am I doing that wrong? I might be doing that wrong. It might be $290. But you know, it is a good amount of money. And so it's nice not to have to pay that. So the bag, for me, if I was buying it directly, say from St. Laurent, is $1,209 plus the tax, and the tax being 10%, you're like, that's a lot of money. So, you know, it's between $100, $200. Like, I don't want to pay that extra. So, you know, the bag ends up much more expensive than initially when you saw it. So I really was glad to find this on Joma Shop, especially in such a neutral colorway. Some other extras on the bag. I do not currently have it on, but the bag did come with this tassel, which you guys can see there. It is the black and the same hardware, but it does say St. Laurent Paris around the top, which is what's making it look a little antiqued, which is really cute. Personally, I am not going to be putting this on the bag. I am not a tassel person, and that's one thing I don't love about my Gucci Soho Disco is the tassel is the zipper pull, so you can't take it off. With this, you can take it off. Mine, it came off. It came off, I mean like it didn't come on the bag when I got the bag in the mail. So I like that. That's nice, and you know, this is actually cute. Like I could see putting this on keys. Maybe not on my bag, but on keys. It also came with the little care card booklet, sample of the leather, which is really great. And it does say on here, bag made in Italy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to read that. It is in black right there, but love that. The interior of this bag right now is very stuffed, but it is, let's take out a little bit of it, a black cotton twill, which you aren't really gonna be able to see right there, but it does have one back slip pocket, which says, you know, St. Laurent on it. But other than that, it is just your standard camera bag. It doesn't have anything besides that back slip pocket. It's such a beautiful leather. I'm really excited to try this. Can be really hit or miss with camera bags. As you guys know, if you saw my recent What I Sold and Why video, I sold my Chanel camera bag. I just didn't use it. Chanel doesn't seem camera bag like to me, but St. Laurent and Gucci seems more like a brand that would do camera bags. I know from having had this leather and the Lulu style before that this is really durable. I was very scared of the white Chanel lambskin, which is crazy because I love Chanel lambskin. I think it was just because it was white. I even have other light colors I use. Just for some reason, the white and I was like, I don't know if I really want to use you. So I'm really excited to try this. I was really excited to find it on sale. So if you guys are ever looking for things on sale, I would say check Joma Shop. They are going to carry more of like St. Laurent, Balenciaga, than like a Chanel. They don't carry Chanel, Hermes, Louis Vuitton because they aren't like a fashion file. They're more like a TJ Maxx or like more like a discounted website. Like I don't know if you guys have been to New York or ever been on the website like Century 21, kind of reminds me of that. But really great pieces. Things like this go really, really quickly. So if you see it and you're thinking about it, you really just have to buy it right then. But really excited to get this piece. Excited to unbox it for you again, 2 unboxings. But you know, it happens. If you like these sort of videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is twice a week. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have this bag, if you don't like this bag, if you love this bag, have any questions about it, please make sure to leave comments down below. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.